Hello, and welcome back to Gentle Wellness, your trusted place for simple, natural health tips made just for older adults. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Baking soda. Yes, that little white powder you use for baking or keeping your fridge fresh might actually be one of the most powerful natural remedies for your body. When used the right way, especially when mixed with water, baking soda can help relieve 7 common health problems many seniors deal with every day, from joint pain to indigestion, from fatigue to kidney health. This simple drink can offer gentle, daily support. But there's a right way to drink it, and if you do it wrong, it could cause side effects. So I'll guide you step by step, and I'll explain why it works, who should try it, and who should avoid it. Let's start with the first health benefit. 1. Helps relieve heartburn and indigestion. As we age, acid reflux and indigestion become more common. If you feel burning in your chest or bloating after meals, baking soda water can help. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it neutralizes excess stomach acid. Just 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water can give fast, gentle relief. But don't take it right after a heavy meal. Wait 1 to 2 hours and never use it more than once a day unless your doctor says it's okay. 2. Supports kidney function. Some studies suggest that low doses of baking soda may help people with mild kidney issues by slowing the buildup of acid in the body. Too much acid can damage kidneys over time. By balancing your body's pH, baking soda water may help protect these vital organs. Important. This should only be used under a doctor's supervision, especially if you already have kidney disease. 3. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Baking soda water may help reduce inflammation in the body, including joint pain from arthritis. How? It may work by calming your immune response, especially if you're dealing with chronic inflammation that causes stiffness and swelling. A small glass once every few days could support your joints and help you move with more comfort. Now, before we move to the next benefits, let's talk about how to prepare baking soda water safely. To prepare baking soda water the safe and correct way, follow this simple method. Take 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, no more than that. Mix it into 1 glass of cool water, about 200 milliliters to 250 milliliters. Stir until fully dissolved. Drink it slowly, on an empty stomach or at least 1 to 2 hours after a meal. Do not drink it more than once a day and not more than 3 days in a row, unless your doctor says it's okay. Too much baking soda can cause side effects like gas, bloating, or even raise your blood pressure if you're sensitive to sodium. Now let's continue with the next benefits. 4. Helps with gout flare UPS. Gout is a painful type of arthritis caused by too much uric acid in the blood. Baking soda can make your body more alkaline, which may help reduce uric acid levels and ease gout attacks. If you've ever had pain in your big toe, ankles, or knees that comes on suddenly, this might help calm it down, but again, check with your doctor if you have other medical conditions. 5. Supports oral health. Baking soda has been used for decades to help clean teeth and freshen breath. When you drink it in water, it may also help reduce mouth acidity, which protects your teeth and gums. If you tend to get mouth sores, dry mouth, or have sensitive gums, baking soda water might be a gentle rinse that helps soothe irritation. 6. May improve energy and reduce fatigue. As we get older, low energy becomes a common issue. Some researchers believe that baking soda helps remove excess acid from the muscles, which may reduce fatigue and help you feel a little more active. This doesn't replace sleep or good nutrition, but when used carefully, it may offer a gentle energy lift, especially on sluggish days. 7. Supports healthy pH balance in the body. A slightly alkaline environment in the body supports good health, including better digestion, less inflammation, and possibly even better immune function. While the body naturally controls its pH, baking soda water may help support that process when the diet is too acidic from things like processed food, soda, or too much meat. Now let's go over who should not drink baking soda water and how to stay safe while using it. Who should avoid baking soda water? While baking soda water has benefits, it's not for everyone. You should not drink it if you have high blood pressure because baking soda contains sodium and sodium can raise your blood pressure even more. You're on a low-sodium diet. Always follow your doctor's dietary advice. You have kidney problems, unless your doctor says it's okay. The kidneys help balance minerals, and too much baking soda can make that harder. You take medications like diuretics, aspirin, or heart medicines. Baking soda can interact with how these drugs work. You have swelling in your feet or ankles. This could be a sign of fluid buildup, and extra sodium might make it worse. Always check with your doctor before starting any new remedy, even a natural one like baking soda water. Let's talk about the right way to use it. Use it only occasionally, not every day. Think of it like a gentle reset, not a long-term solution. Always measure carefully, never guess. Don't use it right after a heavy meal or with fatty foods. If you feel any discomfort, stop immediately and speak with your doctor. And finally, combine it with healthy habits. Baking soda water works best when paired with a whole food diet, daily movement or light exercise, good hydration, managing stress, and getting good sleep. These habits, together with smart remedies like baking soda water, can help you feel lighter, more comfortable, and more in control of your health. In summary, baking soda water, when used correctly, can gently support digestion, joints, kidneys, energy, and more, especially for older adults. But it's not a cure-all, and it's not safe for everyone. Used wisely, though, it's a simple, affordable tool that can make a real difference. Thank you for being with me today on Gentle Wellness. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more caring, clear health tips made just for you. Stay kind to your body, and I'll see you in the next video.